now that you guys are all caught up with what I was kind of doing within the year, I'm actually walking my way to Samantha. She's picking me up in her van at the airport. I'm not sure what we're gonna do today, but I'm gonna take you with me. Planet Fitness, waiting for Samantha to do her little van life ritual she got going on in there. Definitely beats doing laundry in the middle of Manhattan or in New York City.
Yeah, Queens.
Queens, Long Island City.
Yeah.
LRR.
And most capacity limits will be lifted since the start of the pandemic. And in New York,
I'm just kidding.
mask guidance officially goes into effect. The new
Laundry, but make it fashion. Alrighty, putting away laundry. Laundry day.
Oh, runaway sock.
Runaway sock. This was probably the best purchase I've ever gotten.
Which one?
I got like an advent calendar of Star Wars socks.
Oh, I remember. Yeah, you were very excited.
Oh yeah, you were there.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh. See.
Well, only for the one. Was it one or two?
I think it was. There was a few because I had missed a lot or something.
Yeah, that's right. You did pop, so.
I'm so shocked. This is like the first full-size Target that I've seen in New York. It's usually like really small, like. I'm being so lazy and just laying here, doing nothing.
It's the only way to live.
Samantha always makes me the best food.
I feel like you're a better cook than I am, actually.
But I usually just lay here and watch you cook for me. Wow, this looks amazing. So what kind of seasoning did you put in here?
It's literally just seasoned vinegar, garlic, soy sauce, and organic, plain maple syrup. And then water to saute everything. And it's so good. I don't even add any salt or pepper, but you can top it with like sesame seeds or something. It's not my recipe though.
Oh, whoa, my face is shiny. We are at the gym again. And no plans to do anything. Thank you. You're welcome. Wow. Oh man, it's been quite the day. So I'm actually doing a surprise visit in my hometown, and I'm actually at the dance studio that I used to dance at. They got a new location, and this is it. Pineapple banana lime. Blue spirulina. Blonde ale. Try it out. ASMR. Okay, how it
Look at that
is.
color. It's blue.
It's a little green, but I'll take it.
Green teal, maybe? Or green.
A little bit honeydew looking. Do we like it? Do we love it? It's good?
Yeah.
Alright folks, trying out this ramen place. I just got veggie broth and mushrooms. And then we got a create your own.
Spicy miso and chashu.
Let's see if it's better than Ichiran.
I doubt it. It doesn't look better than each one.
Definitely veggie. How's your broth?
It's pretty good. It's got some spice to it. Extra spices right here.
I mean, it's good.
Yep.
I'm gonna give them bonus points for their tray and their napkin and their bowl. I don't know, presentation is everything. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Pulling up to Mel's. Where's the doorbell?